I'm over here.
Where?
I'm in Mecca. Medina.
Oh, there he is.
I'm over there.
Where?
I'm over here.
Where's Kazwa?
Assalamu alaikum. Can you guess where I am right now? I am in the Amazon rainforest. What a beautiful place. Subhanallah. A rainforest is a thick forest that gets lots of rain during the year and is home to many kinds of plants and animals. Did you know that the Amazon is the biggest rainforest in the world? It is found in South America and stretches through 9 countries. Wow, that is large, mashallah. There are over 2.5 million different kinds of insects in the Amazon rainforest. Some are unique and beautiful. And there are many dangerous animals in the Amazon too, like jaguars, frogs, and snakes. Running through the Amazon is the Amazon River. It is over 6,400 kilometers long, making it the second longest river in the world. The Amazon River is home to a very special dolphin, the pink Amazon river dolphin. They are very smart animals, tabarakallah. There are so many trees in the Amazon that they grow close together, forming what looks like a roof made of tree branches. This is called a canopy. The tree canopy is so thick in the Amazon that the ground is always dark, and when it rains, it takes 10 minutes for the rain to reach the ground. The Amazon rainforest is important for all life on Earth because it makes 1/5 of the world's oxygen. That's why we must care for the Amazon rainforest so we don't lose all the oxygen and all the amazing plants and animals. Until next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.